Hey BioFod buddies! Are you ready for a quick recap of Unit 4 Plant Physiology? Get ready to explore the inner workings of our leafy friends. Without further delay, let's get this physiological party started. Unit 5 includes Chapter 16 to 22. This unit focuses on how various systems in the human body function to maintain life. It includes digestive system, digestion and absorption. Respiratory system, breathing and exchange of gases. Circulatory system, body fluids and circulation. Excretory system, excretory products and their elimination. Muscular and skeletal system, locomotion and movement. Nervous system, neural control and coordination. Endocrine system, chemical coordination and integration. Chapter 16, Digestion and Absorption. 1. Human digestive system. The digestive system consists of the alimentary canal and accessory glands. Alimentary canal parts and functions. Organ function mnemonic. Mouth ingestion, chewing, salivary digestion, mouth mashes. Esophagus transports food via peristalsis, E for express. Stomach protein digestion, HCl secretion, stomach stores and stirs. Small intestine major digestion and absorption, small but super. Large intestine water absorption, large loves liquids. Liver bile production, fat digestion, liver liquefies. Pancreas secretes digestive enzymes, pancreas produces. Chapter 17, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. 1. Human respiratory system. The respiratory system enables oxygen intake and carbon dioxide removal from the body. Structure of the respiratory system. Nostrils and nasal cavity filter, warm and moisten air. Pharynx common passage for air and food. Larynx, voice box, produces sound. Trachea, windpipe, directs air into the lungs. Bronchi and bronchioles, air passage into the lungs. Lungs and alveoli, site of gas exchange. Mechanism of breathing. Breathing involves two processes. Inhalation, air enters the lungs as the diaphragm contracts and moves down. Exhalation, air exits the lungs as the diaphragm relaxes and moves up. Transport of gases. Gas transport method mnemonic. Oxygen 98% with hemoglobin, 2% dissolved, oxyheme rules. Carbon dioxide 70% as bicarbonate, 23% with hemoglobin, 7% dissolved, BOH bicarbonate, oxyhemoglobin, hemoglobin bound co. Chapter 18, Body Fluids and Circulation. 1. Structure of human heart. The human heart is a four-chambered organ that pumps blood. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body. Right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from lungs. Left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the body. Mnemonic for heart valves. Right is equal to tricuspid, left is equal to bicuspid. Tricuspid valve, right. Bicuspid, mitral, valve, left. 2. Blood circulation. The circulation of blood is of two types. Pulmonary circulation, between heart and lungs. Systemic circulation, between heart and body. Blood pressure. Systolic pressure, 120 mmHg, during heart contraction. Diastolic pressure, 80 mmHg, during heart relaxation. Chapter 19, Excretory Products and their Elimination. 1. Human excretory system. The kidneys filter waste from the blood and remove it as urine. Parts of excretory system. Kidneys filter waste from blood. Ureters carry urine from kidneys to bladder. Urinary bladder stores urine. Urethra expels urine. Urine formation steps, mnemonic, FRS. Filtration, blood is filtered in nephrons. Reabsorption: useful substances like glucose are reabsorbed. Secretion: remaining waste is secreted into urine. Chapter 20: Locomotion and Movement. 1. Muscles and their contraction. Muscle contraction occurs via sliding filament theory. Actin and myosin filaments slide over each other to shorten the muscle. Mnemonic for muscle contraction: AM contract. Actin-myosin contraction. 2. Skeletal system. The human skeleton has 206 bones, divided into axial skeleton, 80 bones, skull, vertebral column, rib cage. Appendicular skeleton, 126 bones, limbs and girdles. Chapter 21: Neural Control and Coordination. 1. Nervous system components. Division function. CNS, brain and spinal cord, controls all body activities. PNS, nerves, connects CNS to body parts. ANS, autonomic nervous system, controls involuntary actions. 2. Reflex action. A reflex arc is the pathway of a reflex action. Mnemonic for reflex arc: RSCR. Receptor sensory neuron CNS motor neuron response. Chapter 22: Chemical Coordination and Integration. 1. Endocrine glands and their hormones. Gland hormone function. Pituitary, master gland, GH, FSH, LH, ADH: growth, reproduction, water balance. Thyroid, thyroxine metabolism control. Adrenal, adrenaline, cortisol stress response. Pancreas, insulin, glucagon blood sugar regulation. Ovaries, testes, estrogen, testosterone sexual characteristics. Mnemonic for pituitary hormones: flat top. FSH, LH, ACTH, GH, TSH, oxytocin, prolactin. 2. Feedback mechanism. Negative feedback stops hormone secretion when levels are high. Positive feedback increases hormone secretion when needed, example, oxytocin in childbirth. Final mnemonic recap for Unit 5. Digestive enzymes: amipeptide lip licking. Respiratory disorders: AEB. Urine formation: FRS. Muscle contraction: AM contract. Pituitary hormones: flat top. And that's a wrap on our Unit 4 plant party. Did you feel the botanical energy? I hope your brain is feeling extra green. Don't be shy, hit us up with comments and reviews. We love hearing from you, biobotanists. And don't forget to subscribe, or you'll miss the bio-blossoming. Thanks for growing with me on BioFod. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being your awesome bio selves.